Hi, good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Welcome to Nirbhaya High School, Padmanagar Phase 2, Chintal, Digital Learning Classes to understand the subject easily. I am your English teacher, Astalakshmi ma'am. Children, have you done your works? I hope everyone have completed and we are having fun in the home. Yes, children. See here, yesterday what we have completed? We have completed our formal writing. In formal writing, what is the topic, children? Topic is about persuasive writing. What is persuasive writing? Here, when we are sharing our thoughts to the other person about any one topic, the other person should agree with our thoughts. That we are making to agree to our thoughts. That is called as a persuasive writing. Understood, children? We have written yesterday. Now coming to the creative writing. Yes, children, creative writing. And before going into creative writing, have you completed your project, children? See, everyone complete your projects. Okay, children. And one more thing I want to tell. STs are not conducted of. Yes, so many. Have you writing your STs? I said to write. Yes. Now, tomorrow I will conduct you ST. From which lesson? From module 3. Okay, children. Module 3, grammar part I will conduct. Okay, children. Every day, one STs I will conduct you. Okay, children. See here. Already today we are completing our module 6. Okay, children. From module 3 we didn't write any ST, no. So I am conducting from module 3 grammar part ST. Okay. And tomorrow I will conduct you module 3 grammar part. Grammar part module 3. Okay, children. Now coming to creative writing. What is creative writing? Here, the topic is story review. Story review means what? A review of a story explains its strong and weak points. This helps the reader to decide whether or not they should read the story. Here, a review of a story, it tells the strong points and the weak points, yes, about a story. Then the readers decides by that we should read the story or not. See, by seeing the movie trailer, now any new movie is coming means what they will do, they will put first a trailer, no. By seeing the trailer, oh okay, this trailer is good, that means the movie is also will be good. We will think like that, we will decide like that, and we will go to the movie and we will watch. Yes, children. Here like that only. Here we are giving a story review first. See, first what you should do, introduction. What it is, children? Introduction. Next, summary. Next, analysis. What it is, children? Analysis. Next, conclusion. These are the steps. These are the steps to write a word story review. These are the steps to write a story review. First, introduction means what? What is the title of the story and who is the author? What type of a story it is we should write in the introduction. Means what? Title we will write, author name we will write, and which type of a story. Means in movies how we will tell. Now when anyone movie will take means we will tell us this movie name is so and so and the director is so and so, and we will tell it is an emotional movie, or we will tell it is a friendly movie. Means by saying that we can feel the friendshipness, like that we can tell. Yes, like that only. Here also we will tell about a story, what story we have read about that. And coming to the summary. Summary means what is short. Very important points we will write in that. What was the story about? Who were the characters, main characters, and what happened to them? Here, what was the story about? First, we will write. Means why? What is the story? What are the characters? What happened to that characters? We will write. That is called as a summary. And coming to analysis. Analysis means what? What were your most favorite and least favorite parts of the story? In that story, which part you liked more and which part you don't like, you didn't like it, that you will write. That is called as analysis. And coming to the next one, conclusion. What is the conclusion, children? Here, how did you feel about the ending? Why do you feel this way? Means what you felt about the ending and why you are feeling like that in the ending. What happened, that you will write in that conclusion part. And how you will feel means you will be thinking, oh, it is not happened like this, it should be like, it should be happened like this. You will be feeling something, or you will be feeling by seeing this I got some encouragement, something you inspired, like that it will be there, no children, like that is you should write in the end of that. That is called as a conclusion. Means what here? First four steps are there in the story review: introduction part, summary part, analysis, and conclusion. Okay, children. By these four steps only we will complete our story review. First you should answer this and you should write a small point. See here. Now let us read a sample review of a story from your textbook only. You can read the complete story in the lesson, The Peaceful Warrior. See here, children, The Peaceful Warrior is an old Japanese folktale. This is the introduction part. It is about a warrior who kills his master and runs off to a village far away. There the warrior begins to build a mountain road. This road would help the villagers connect with the rest of the world. Now summary. After a few years, the dead master's son comes searching for the warrior. He wants to kill him and take revenge for his father's murder. However, he waits for the warrior to finish building the road. At the end, the son decides not to kill the warrior as he likes the fact that he was working hard for the good of the people. My favorite part of the story was its ending. It teaches us that we can learn from everyone, even our enemies. The story was very interesting and exciting to read. It also taught me the importance of forgiveness. If we want to be peaceful and happy, we must forgive others. This is the conclusion. Understood, children? These four parts are they have given here. By this means the lesson will be very big, but the main points we will add here. What we can gain from that lesson. We are writing means the other readers. By this review, the other readers they will read this review and they will understand that okay, we should read this complete story. It is very suspense. Oh, this is happening in this story. We will go and read the full lesson. They will be thinking, yes children, full story they will wanted to read. This is about the story review. Story review means what? A review of a story means it explains the strong and weak points and it helps the readers to decide to whether they should read the story or not. Understood, children? This is about your creative writing. What is the topic? Story review. Here see. Answer the questions to write a story review based on a story that you have read. Here this you should write your own, children. Okay. Now see here. First what you should write? Story title. You can write the Peaceful Warrior story title or your BFG or your own title, what you have read, that story title you can write. And you should write the author name also in there. Where did the story take place? Means where it take place, the story took place in the mountains or in the what you will tell in the nearby houses. That all you can write. Okay, children. Now, who were the characters? Did you like them? The main character of the story was you can write like I'm telling about a Grinch here. Grinch, his dog Cindy, and nearby people of a village. I love the character. Do you like them? You write, I love the characters. Or you like the characters means you write it out. I love the characters of Grinch. All thought he did something mean. I also thought there was something funny about him. Means here what? Here we are writing about a story. I'm writing about a story of Grinch. Okay. How the Grinch, the Christmas story is. And the Dr. Seuss is the author. Where did the story take place? The story took place in the mountains called Hoville. Okay. Who were the characters? Did you like them? The main characters of the story were the Grinch, his dog Cindy Law, who and people of Who Village. I loved the character of the Grinch, although he did something mean. I also thought there was something funny about him. Did the characters face any problem? What were they? Yes, the Grinch did not like the Christmas at all. He wanted to stop Christmas from coming so. He went to each house in the whole village and stole all the Christmas trees. Okay, for gifts, food and decoration, everything he stole. He took all the goodies in his big coat to his house in the mountains. The people of Uville were left with nothing to celebrate Christmas. Like this year, Grinch, what he did, he all stolen all the things. He don't like the Christmas to celebrate, so he took all the things from the village and went to the mountains. How were the problems solved? How does the story end? When the Grinch is about it, through his coat of the mountains, he heard snakes' voices. Some voices he heard. The people of Who Village are singing and celebrating even when they have nothing. Then he realizes that Christmas is about love and sharing and not about materials or things. So the Grinch has a change of new and decided to return everything. Here what happened when the Grinch was about to throw the things from the mountain, then suddenly he heard some noises. What the noises were? The people in the Who village were singing songs. The people in the Who village were singing songs. They were celebrating the Christmas. Then he realized that Christmas is a celebration of love and sharing things, not about the material things. Okay, so the Grinch changed himself and he gave the things back. Did you like the story? Why or why not? I like the story very much. My favorite part of the story was the ending, where the Grinch goes back and gives the gifts to all the children. It also liked the thought that the most important things is that we love and care for each other. Here, do you like the story? Why or why not? They ask. Here, do you like the story? Means you should write, yes, I like the story. And what you will write here, I like the story, and it is my favorite part is at the end of that, because the Grinch changes himself and he gives the things returned back to the Who villages, and he will celebrate with the people. Yes, this is the important. From this what we can learn means most important thing is that we love for each other and care for each other. This is the thing we will learn from this story. Understood, children? This is about the exercise 5. Now what is your work? You should complete this. Your own story you write it and complete it. Okay, children? Own story you should write and complete it. Okay, and I said no, now complete this in your own. And see here what I said, I will conduct you ST Module 3 grammar part. Okay, children, see here, answer the questions to write a story review based on a story that you have heard. This is your homework. You should write your own. Exercise 5, complete it, children. Complete exercise 5. Yeah, your own only. Okay, because what story you have read, I don't know, no. Yes, your own story you write it. I wrote my own story. You can write about the BFG, whatever the stories. Have you seen the story movie also? That movie also you can change it as a story and you can write it here. Okay, children, I hope everyone will write your work. You will do your work. Okay, children, write it your own. Okay, and tomorrow is your ST also. Module 3 grammar part ST and complete exercise 5 and complete the projects, children. Okay.